Today, I'm going to attempt to explain deep learning just with these two blank pieces of paper. So recently I picked up a book, Deep Learning with Python, on the recommendation of a colleague of mine, and the author explains it in a very nice and intuitive way. A deep neural network is nothing but layers of matrix multiplications and some sort of function applied at each stage. And a matrix multiplication to a vector is kind of like transforming a point or a set of points in some 3, 4, 5 n-dimensional space. A neural network attempts to separate two different types of objects by learning from the data what sort of entanglement or what sort of folding structure exists within the given data patterns. So if I fold it 3 or 4 times, it's already quite difficult to separate these two pieces of paper. But what a deep neural network attempts to do is each layer attempts to do some sort of transformation to undo the complexity within the pattern so that you can, at the end of all the layers, separate out the 2 or 3 or 10 different types of objects. Now, a neural network isn't necessarily a solution to all sorts of problems. There are certain problems that are easily separable than others. And a deep neural network is not a solution to every single problem. You need to have a lot of data, depending on, this is just 2-dimensional piece of paper in a 3-dimensional world. But if you have 500 or 5,000 dimensions in your data, you need to have lots and lots of data for your network to learn the unfolding structure at each layer. And the number of layers defines the number of unfolds it can possibly learn to do. So that, in essence, is a brief summary of what a deep neural network is. See you next time.